Are you okay?
Hey, what's going on?
The bridge was broken.
Oh my god.
Hey, go.
Hey, stop now.
Oh my god. Let me help you. We need to repair the bridge.
Okay. What a peaceful day. Oh my gosh! The bridge is on fire! This is dangerous! The wood's burning! Help!
Meanwhile, what? 10 years later.
It's action time! Transform! Firefighter, ready to roll!
Transform! Messy again. Oh dear.
Transform. Tow truck ready. Transform. I'll take care of everyone.
Transform! Please here, keep calm. Let's go! Please! Help! Help! Hey! Water blast, go! Thank you.
Hello. I'll take care of you. Let's go!
Hey!
So messy, let me clean it up.
Come on, come on.
Wooden bridges are dangerous. We need a strong steel bridge.
Call for reinforcements.
Okay, let's go.
20 minutes later.
Go, go, go!
Cement is coming.
1 hour later.
Let me smooth the way.
Let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Fancy! Bye!
Look! A peaceful morning as the train glides beneath the dirt bridge.
It's a beautiful day. The ground is shaking. Achoo! Who buried me? What? Ida, so hurt! Help me! Oh my God, help me, please.
Nearby, the police car and tow truck are happily playing ball.
Catch the ball.
Okay!
Help me. Huh? What's going on? An accident? Hey, follow me. Go.
Arriving at the site, they brake hard and jump into action.
We come here. Let me help. Calm down.
The tow truck extends its arm and hooks onto the container.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
Help me, please.
The tow truck rescues the train too, pulling it upright.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We need to rebuild the bridge. Let me...
Okay!
Here comes the construction team.
Oh, woo, what's going on? Let me remove the sand and build a better bridge.
Okay!
The crane scoops up sand and loads the dump truck.
Okay!
Bye-bye. Hey! Nice. I come here, ye. Oh, whoa, a lot of bricks.
The dump truck tips its bed and pours bricks gently beside the road.
Wow! The new road is so beautiful. Add color to the bridge, more brilliant. Let's start. This is red. This is orange. This is yellow. Green, blue, purple, pink. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Okay!
The bridge gets painted in 7 rainbow colors.
Amazing. Traffic lights for safety. It's so beautiful, yeah.
Ta-da! The beautiful new bridge is ready to go.
Hello, and remember to subscribe to the channel below. Yeah, we make it.
The trucks roll away, proud of a job well done.
Make a way to make sure not to be life-threatening.
The truck and ambulance are heading toward each other.
Oh no! Move it. I got here first.
No way, this road is mine!
They argued, neither giving way, and crack, crack, boom! Both fell into a hole. By chance, the crane passes by and notices them.
Oh no! You guys really fell in.
Help us!
Time for super rescue powers. Oops. Yeah.
Ouch! Watch it!
The crane lowers its hook to lift the stranded vehicles up.
Hey! Be careful! Phew! My tire fell off! OMG, so hurt! Thank you! My tire fell off!
Got your tire. Let's fix you up. Need to expand the road. Okay. Thanks a bunch. Bring the material right away.
The vehicles drive off to gather materials and work together to rebuild the road.
Stones here, stones here.
Let's scoop some sand.
Okay, let's go.
Teamwork makes the job faster.
Go, go, go! All right. I'm going. Let's smash it flat. Boom, boom, boom. Just this iron ball can be flat.
Sand here, sand here.
The dump truck fills the hole with sand.
So sandy, haha! Wow, amazing!
Gravel is spread. The bulldozer flattens it. Strong foundations keep roads safe for everyone.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun rescue adventures.
The road is comfortable to go.
Ta-da! The road is wide and smooth now.
The road is so spacious, no one spends any room. When driving, always yield and stay in your lane to avoid accidents. Aha! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no. Anyone here?
Help me! Hey! Hey! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Hey!
What are you playing?
Help me!
Okay, let's go.
Come on! You can do it!
Wait for me.
Help me!
What is going on?
Someone needs help.
Okay, let's go.
Follow me.
can do it! Come on!
Thank you.
No problem.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
There are monsters in the cave. I want to explore this cave.
Oh, yeah! Oh, no! Wow! Amazing! Yahoo! Yahoo! Ah! Woohoo! Yahoo!
What is that?
Wow! Amazing!
What is going on?
Pink, pink, pink.
Oh no!
So good.
Hooray! Hooray!
Yeah! Hi, friends! Don't blink, because we've got epic surprises at the end! Hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos! Choo-choo! A train is moving through the tunnel! Hold your engines, folks! No zooming through here when the train's on the move!
Hey!
Uh-oh! The yellow truck's plotting something evil! Oh, geez! He's stealing all the building blocks! Phew, cops here! Block thief's in for a surprise! Very suspicious, don't you think, officer? Okay, let's get a move on, cars. Oh no! The poor truck doesn't have any building blocks left!
Where are my logo?
I know who the culprit is.
Okay.
Let's go.
We are gonna catch that thief together! Come on, team! Let's roll! Wow! Check it out! The house is built from the same Lego blocks as before! No stealing is allowed!
You have been arrested.
Let's give those Lego blocks right back to their rightful owner! Luckily, we caught the bad guy just in time! Now these trucks can get back to their job!
Let's go.
Uh-oh! Don't just run like that! Now that is one spectacular Lego mansion!